I am very glad I have this opportunity. I want to answer all your difficult questions now, especially the one which you want to ask about viability. Actually, I have presented a paper already. It is there hoisted on the conference portal. It is next to the home button. How many of you have read it so that it makes my job simple now? How many of you read it? Okay. Now let me save the time by directly discussing the issues that were raised by all the speakers in the foregoing sessions. Now let us build a critical mass and let us also make it viable. And though that's how it is done. We want to implement DBT and also FIP in all the villages of India. There are 6 lakh villages. Let's all walk the cash requirement. Yes, that is true. So every BC should have a BC account on which he or she will be able to draw up to 1 lakh from any ATM of any bank. And BPR, your present products don't move at all. They are not designed. So entire processes, products have to be re-engineered. And I have discussed this with my partner banks. I am going to conduct a workshop for them how to redesign. And then transparency has to be there at the payment point. And most of them are illiterates even now. So there has to be a printout and a voiceover in the vernacular. There has to be a passbook if it is required, which is filled up by the concerned last mile operator. If a mini statement is required, it should be printed and given. And entire thing should work on multi-agent platform. And there are areas where connectivity has not gone. So offline systems must be available. And then you should have a RuPay card or MasterCard or any card which is linked to an Aadhaar-based account. And there should be biometric, all the ATMs in the country should be biometric enabled. And all larger villages should have biometric ATMs. And the power is a big constraint, so it should have a solar module. And then a standard package of interoperable FI services. You have seen the experiment of this common RFP, how it failed. So you should come up with an interoperable standard package so that all the small banks, cooperative banks can immediately adopt it. And also there can be, it should be in open source. So everybody can come on the FI platform very easily. And because it is standardized, and it will be interoperable. Because each bank has to work on that, you should not have proprietary systems which will fail on the portability platform. And everything has to be time-based. So timelines have to be drawn in, and I am recommending that it should not take any more than 3 years to give services in every village. In fact, we should immediately order purchase of these 6 lakh ATMs. And then we have to trigger the gold rush. Anybody who is entering this field should not lose. You should render service based on service rendered, you should be paid, and it should be settled on the same day. You should not go around people, see I have made 30 lakh Aadhaar transactions. And nothing is paid to my banks or to me. I am paying them 2%. And Aadhaar should be run as a public utility on no loss, on no profit basis. And nobody should be doing this repetitive work of private enrollment and private databases. That should be totally banned. Then there should be there should be a law for UID and financial inclusion and for DBT. So there should be a common law for that. And then rollout strategy has to be there. And there should be this unified model of implementation. I think I have said it. Hope I have not taken much of your time, but if any questions are there, I am ready.